On this video, I'm going to show y'all how to put rim screws in a steel wheel to beadlock the tire to the rim. Wheel, whatever you like calling it. These are actually a hardware version of the Moroso, which is a speed part number 90100. You can get them in a pack. I've done these for years, putting tires on, especially drag tires, and all you got to do is get the right length and then measure and drill the hole the right size. So I'm going to show y'all on the off-road mudding mower how to do it on a 3-wheeler rim, which this one's going to run into a little bit of problem because it has a lip on it. So the screw, I'll show you if I get a screw, is going to be kind of in the way of it. So I'm going to have to take and grind some of that off. And I'll probably put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then flip it over and do the same thing. What I'm using to do it is I've measured the screw and got the drill bit basically the same size as the inside on this screw, not the threads, but the small part. This I'm going to grind out with. Got a box of screws that I think will work. I could have used the bigger ones, but these seemed a little more proportioned since it's such a small tire compared to a passenger car tire. And my center punch. So I'm going to set the video up on the tripod, and it may take a while, so I'll do the fast forward gig on it. Now we're ready to pull something. I've got, again, these in here, which I've measured and go perfectly through the rim into the bead, but of course not through the bead of the tire, not to puncture the tube. So if you don't go through enough trouble to make sure that the screw you've chosen is not going to go through there, you could rely on me. This one's almost exactly a 1/2 inch long from the tip to there. Your bead's a 1/2 inch long. This is 100 thousandths thick. It's really close, but you measure it precisely, you'll be fine. So I'm gonna flip it over, do the other side, do the other back wheel, and I guess I'll keep the video going. Now I was going to tell you, at some point I like doing it with the tire on the rim, because if you get it pumped up, you can make sure those go into the bead. Now of course you could take all your stuff apart to drill those holes if you're scared, you know, you might poke through it, but that's just too much trouble for me to take something apart when I can fluctuate. You know, if you have a very variable speed drill and some patience, and you've drilled a few holes, kind of know when you're getting to the bottom. Watch the video, I made that normal speed. So that's how you put wheel screws on, you know, just like on the race car, except I chose mine from the hardware store. Now I'm doing this for a romp this weekend. We're having a mud romp. We got a little small pond we're going to go through, and that's out at the Chopsters. After we hopefully make it through there, we may do another pull off. That's what the screws are for, and probably tear up my pins I've got holding my hubs and axles on next, but might put a nail in it. Maybe that'll hold a little better. So if that breaks, which it probably will, I'll go back and I'll drill another hole with a pin in it, and then here and here and here. Keep going until it holds. I hope. Or I'm not gonna weld it on or anything crazy like that, but there it is. Guess I'll show you a little bit when I get it back on. So here's what it looks like while they're on. I said I didn't really try to do a tip-top job on the grinding. Really don't care too much about those wheels. I've got some more in there. They're pretty nice. I know they'll fit on here. There's some aluminum wheels. So I figured one day they'll end up on here, maybe with some bear claws or something, I don't know, but I'll just ground those out to get them on there. You can see the other ones from the back side, inside. So, you know, I got all of them. There's 4 on the outside, 4 on the inside. So there's 8 on each tire. And now I'm pulling all the crap mechanisms off of it and gonna make me a real gas pedal. Get rid of the turtle and the hair, and I'll make a clutch pedal, brake pedal of some sort. I haven't figured that out yet, but that'll be another video.